Okay, for assignment number 1, right here I have my notepad, and I start with the HTML with the head. It says addition is easy, and has a background with the numbers, and I fix with the Photoshop, and we'll see that later. And also with the first heading here, do you like math? And also with the first paragraph, do you feel like numbers are confusing? And then I put another picture here, shows a number, and I put a link here, first one, and a link to link us to the Wikipedia about and talking about the math. And later on I put another one, is remember how to count, and this one will link to another page I did. It's right here, it says how to count, and if I go to a link here, this is another code for it. So I have a video here, shows us how to count. It's linked to the YouTube, and I also put another link. You link us back to the home, which is the assignment page. And for keep going, we have in the middle, we say we're going to start with addition, and I make it bold, the font, so it's right here. And also with I show a picture here. I put a paragraph above the picture that says the boy is going to give you an apple, and also another one, and now your grandma is going to give you another apple, and with a picture. Then the question right here, I make it bold font, how many apples do you have now? And the answer is you have 2, and also with the picture with a man holding 2 apples. And if you want to know, I put more about addiction, and I put another link to YouTube, and we can watch this on the YouTube about addiction. And also another paragraph right here is contact me if they have any questions. So that will link to another page I make, the second one right here. The title says leave your info, and I make a table here, so they can leave their first name and also last name, and then they can submit here. And that's the second one. And also the last link here is if they need more help, they can go to the next page. It's another page, and this one is will help you to you see the picture first, and you say come to our math lab, and with the picture, also the link to the math lab, and also I have a home page. Come back here, and that's I finished with the center, body, and the HTML. And right here is my website, and it's right here. So we can go up, take a look first. Here. So I have a list as a background, and I use Photoshop make it a little bit lighter. And there's the same picture here, but this one is the original color. So I have a do you like math, and move it to the right. And the first one, if I click to this one, you go to Wikipedia. So we come to Wikipedia, and it's talking about math right over here, and all the history and how to understand math. Yeah. And for the next one, we go back to the remember how to count, and refresh yourself right here. It teaches how to count through a YouTube video right here, and I can go back home from this link. And so we start with addition. We have 1 apple here, with 2 apple here, another apple. And how many apples do I have? I have 2 right now. And more about addition, I have another video on the main page here. You teach us how to do this. And then we can see the bottom here. I have another 3 link. First one is contact me, and move this here. You see leave your information here, and you can type your name and last name. You can submit. And right here another 2. This one will link to another picture from the website. is a flicker. So you can see you are not the only one. Most people, they don't know how to do the math as well. So it's go to flickers right here. Okay, and then for the last link here is if you need some more help, and right here you can go to a math lab, and then this is the third with the help here, the third page I make. A picture here. Also, you can go to the math lab website here, and then it will help you to do more math here. And then you can go back home from here. And that's assignment number 1.